Drinking milk may temporarily relieve stomach ulcer because it coats the stomach lining. But milk can also cause the stomach to produce more acid and digestive juices, which can make the ulcer worse. Don't change the channel. Keep watching to know more about ulcer, the causes, treatment and preventions of ulcer. Let's go there. Hello guys! Welcome back to 5 Minutes Health Center. I still remain your favorite nurse, Namdi Glory. On today's video, I'll be talking on ulcer. But before we move on, I would love you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Especially if this is your first time of visiting my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share my videos with friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so as to get notified each time I post new videos. You know you can get in contact with me through the comment section. Just feel free. Ulcer is a sore that develops on the linings of the stomach, esophagus, or small intestine. The most common causes of these ulcers are infections with this bacterium called Helicobacter pylori. Frequent intake of NSAID, that's non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen, naproxen sodium can cause ulcer. Smoking and intake of alcohols can cause ulcer. Stress and spicy food can be a predisposing factor to ulcer. There are some signs and symptoms to ulcer, which are nausea, vomiting, and when ulcer is advanced, like when it is advanced, the vomiting may be coffee brown or can be mixed with blood. Weight loss, loss of appetite, pain on the stomach, all these sudden sharp pains on the stomach, maybe between the breastbones and the belly button. These pains may occur few minutes or hours after feeding, after food. It may come when the stomach is empty, it may come in the morning time, it may come in the evening, it depends. Okay, these are some of the signs and symptoms of ulcers. The person may even start losing weight. Ulcer can be prevented through washing your hands well and often. Exercise regularly. Avoid smoking and alcohol intake. Please, alcohol doesn't have any nutritional value. Just avoid it. Endeavor to get enough rest as you can. H. pylori, this Helicobacter pylori bacteria has been found in saliva. So kissing may be one of the ways by which this bacteria will be transmitted from one person to another. It can also be spread through contaminated food. Food has been contaminated with this bacteria, water, or vomit. Acetaminophen, that's paracetamol, can be an option for ulcer. Please, it does not cause ulcer. Paracetamol does not cause ulcer. So you can go for it each time you are having pains. So avoid NSAID. Avoid this ibuprofen, naproxen sodiums. You can go for paracetamol. Note that pear, apples, and oatmeals and other food rich in fiber helps to reduce acid in the stomach. Yeah, they do well in reducing acid in the stomach. So they help in reducing both bloating, pains, and occurrence of constipation. So you can go for them to avoid ulcer. Treatment of ulcer depends on the exact cause. Use the suitable antibiotics when it is caused by H. pylori. Proton pump inhibitors are drugs that reduces acid in the stomach. Histamine receptor blockers are also drugs that prevent acid production. When ulcer is not being treated well, when ulcer is left to advance, when it is being overlooked, it can lead to some of these complications like internal bleeding. It can lead to perforation in the stomach lining. It can lead to obstruction, that's blocking the food from passing through the digestive tract. It can lead to gastric cancer. And when all of this is not being managed properly, when it cannot be managed well, that means it can lead to death. Please, if you know that you already have ulcer, if you know that you've checked and you've been diagnosed of ulcer, please know the exact cause of it and follow suit. Okay, avoid taking drugs without knowing the cause of your problem. Or if you know that you've not experienced this ulcer before, you've not been diagnosed of ulcer, please follow these preventive measures so as to prevent it, so that you just prevent yourself from having ulcer. Thank you very much for your audience. Thank you very much for always supporting your girl. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially those that have not subscribed, those that always visit, my August visitors. Please try to subscribe to my channel. Join us, subscribe to my channel, like, share my videos with your friends, and turn on your notification bell so that each time I post new videos, you will have a first-hand info about it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.